All right, well, there she be, boys. The donor finally arrived for this beast. That's right. Good old 12 valve Cummins from a 97 Dodge. As old Pegleg would say, mint. All right. Well, sassy little box there. In good shape. Oh, look at that. No cancer. All right. Well, box will be up for grabs. That's for sale. I don't know. $500. Make an offer. Ooh, good and dirty. Comes with a hose. You can have the hose. It even comes with some money. Look at that. You can get your money back. Oh, fresh with garbage too. Oh, yeah. Doors, I'll sell those. Wheels, probably gonna sell them. Maybe an offer. I don't care. This sassy little hood though. Oh, yeah, she's mint. Mint. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, that door's still mostly good. I think. Good enough. Oh, a little bit of cancer on this box side. It's still for sale. Mint. Can't even close the door. Oh, yeah. Look at that beauty. Oh, yeah. What the hell? Tladafil, huh? Oop, won't show that. What the heck is that? I don't know if I should be touching this without, oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Some of these dirty pants, too. Bet you they got shit in them from when that went off. Oh, yummy. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Just full of goods. I don't even want to touch this stuff. Ooh, business cards. Okay, doesn't look like much of a realtor's truck, but hey, what do I know? It's not like I got a family full of realtors. Oh, yeah, she's a beaut. Just a beaut. Ooh, there's even pictures up there. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, shoes. Ooh, candy. Look at that. Even comes with an open bag of mints. Mint. Oh, even comes with some bread. Ooh, it's a box of something. Ooh, it's a box. Skin barrier. Well, now, not what I was expecting. Minty grill. I want to dig through, but I don't want to dig through. Yep, that's useful. All right. Yeah. Let's see where the goods is. I like that hood extension piece there for the grill. It makes it great for lifting. But hey, look. Oh, it needs a new. No, that's a speed air box. Good on that. Yeah, good old 12 valve. Pumped. Mint. Big old greasy tubes. Oh yeah, typical for a Dodge. Nice rusty electrical. Typical for a Dodge. This is great. The fan blade's a little chewed up, but hey, whatever. It'll cool. It's cool. Uh-oh. There we go. I don't know. What's the mileage on this fucking... 518,000 kilometers. Just a couple. Ah, she barely broke it in. All right. Well, y'all know anybody wants parts off of this other than motor and transmission, let me know. Because that tailgate ain't